This is in this video we are going to learn how to get started with Salesforce. Okay, if you're someone who is coming from a non-IT background and looking to start a career in Salesforce, then this video is for you. So please make sure that you watch till the end to understand how to get started with Salesforce. All right. So before we start, first let's understand what is Salesforce. So Salesforce is a world's #1 CRM, and it is a cloud-based platform where you don't require any sort of infrastructure to set up on your office site. Everything is set up on the cloud. You just require your laptop, desktop, or an internet connection along with your laptop, or you can also use Salesforce on your mobile phones. But if you are requiring to work as a developer or an admin, then you should have some sort of desktop on the laptop. Okay, so what you are going what the Salesforce is basically used for in the industry, it is basically used for sales, servicing and marketing application. All right, so 90% of the Fortune 500 companies today uses Salesforce for their CRM needs. So it's like required in multiple organizations, multiple business niche where the companies are using Salesforce. So the #1 reason why to choose Salesforce as a career, okay, even if you are not having any IT skills, so Salesforce is basically high in demand in the job market. It is user-friendly platform, and you don't require any sort of coding knowledge to get started with Salesforce. So if you're someone who is getting scared of the coding, you can still work in Salesforce platform without understanding any sort of code. Okay, so Salesforce offers multiple certifications as well. So if you take some certifications, you will be easily able to hit the market by showing your certification on the resume or the CV. Okay, in Salesforce, the multiple organization offers work from anywhere, that is remote jobs. So you can target those jobs on LinkedIn or Naukri.com or any other job portals, and you can work from home as well. Key roles suitable for the non-IT people. So Salesforce administrator, business analyst, sales cloud consultant, marketing cloud consultant, data analyst, keyword testers, or basically quality analyst testers are basic roles available for the non-IT people to target for into the Salesforce market. So if you choose these roles, you will not require to actually code in the Salesforce. Okay, so it's easier to get into these roles as compared to the coding roles. Okay, so skills you need to get started with Salesforce. So you should know basic computer knowledge, that is required. Then you should have a good communication skills. You should be a logical thinker, and you should have an interest to learn new technologies or the tools. These are some of the basic requirement to get started with Salesforce. So how to get started with Salesforce? #1 thing is, first you should start learning on the Trailhead platform. The Trailhead is a platform where you can start your journey. You can learn the knowledge, you can gain the knowledge about the platform, and you can take multiple badges, points, and it will give you motivation to progress. And with some real-time scenarios, the platform offers you to learn the simple Salesforce concepts. So the suggested paths required for learning on Trailhead is, first you should sign up for the Trailhead.org. Then you should learn the basic Salesforce admin basics. Then practice those skills in the Salesforce developer.org or on the Salesforce Trailhead playground. You're having developer playground where you can actually practice or implement whatever you're learning from the Salesforce Trailhead. Then you can earn super badges to gain some experience on multiple topics together using the Salesforce super badge. So after gaining all this super badge and the skills that you are gaining on the trailhead, you can apply for the internship into the market or the entry level job into the market. So for practice, before you do all these things, okay, you should develop some sort of practice on the free Salesforce developer org, okay, along with your trailhead, because trailhead is where you're learning something, but you need to implement it into a platform, right? So you should have a free developer org where you are basically doing your practices for lifetime. This practice org will be free for you, so it's a safe space to try out any new features that you're learning and implement on the free developer org. So it's next, where to get the support for the Salesforce jobs or learning Salesforce platform. So you will be getting multiple YouTube tutorials and multiple blogs which basically provides the basic information about getting into the Salesforce world. Okay, there are multiple Telegram and WhatsApp group which you can join, and which basically helps you to create a community sort of environment. You can ask your questions in those WhatsApp group or Telegram. There are LinkedIn communities available. You can join those LinkedIn communities. Along with the LinkedIn communities, there are Stack Overflow community, there is a Trailblazer community, where you can have the people of the same mindset. Okay, then there are multiple online mentors and trainers available who will be guiding you to how to learn Salesforce. Then the final key for learning Salesforce is you should be consistent. So learning this platform will take about 3 months of the time, but for this 3 months you should be consistently learning the platform on a daily basis. You should be doing something on this platform on a daily basis, practicing whatever you have learned from Trailhead. You have to implement it in your developer org. So you should not, next thing is that you should not be scared or feared of technology, because the next thing in the world that's going, the technology is the thing that is basically taking over every place. Okay, so we should not be scared of the technology. Then you should focus on the admin roles first, because admin roles are basically not much technical, but it will help you, it will give you some confidence to progress in this particular role. Then build a strong LinkedIn profile and do some networking on the LinkedIn platform with the HRs to get your first job role in the Salesforce world. Okay, so if you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Yeah.